Ay, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she don't want no nigga, baby, let's face it. I've been really.
Hey, you guys. So, oops, sorry. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the girl Shein, and welcome back to the vlog. So I don't know what to call this vlog as yet because I'm just making videos and I'm just gonna put them together, but I guess it's days in my life. I don't know. I am currently in Montego Bay. Came yesterday, you know, chilling with my peeps or whatever. But I'm just gonna be vlogging and just showing you guys me being outside, I guess. So that's the vibe right now. Guys, we got a big Shein haul coming. Okay. So I just popped one of the bags and look how cute these are. Swimsuit. Okay. I'm not showing you guys nothing more. Y'all gonna have to tune into the Shein haul to see what I got. But yeah, that's it. Guys, I'm so tired. I just finished shooting my Shein haul. Like, look at my bed. Like, so much stuff. Oh my god. But make sure y'all check out my Shein haul. It should be up before this video, so check it out and leave a comment and tell me what's your favorite outfit. And yeah, y'all, my room is a mess. Now I'm just gonna pack because I'm going to Montego Bay, so I'm gonna find some outfit and just pack. My bag is dirty, so see if I can use this wipes and just, it's a bit dust. It's not really dirty, it's just a bit of dust that's on it, so I'm just wiping it down. See, it's not really dirty, just dust. So I'm just gonna pack some stuff. So today's Sunday and I'm going to Montego Bay on Tuesday. So tomorrow, Monday, I need to go get my nails done and my toes. And I also need to get a new jeans because the one that I got off Shein cannot fit me, so I have to go try and get one in store tomorrow. Hopefully I find one. And that's it. I'm just gonna what I have, you know, and just find some outfits and put in this bag. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not long if you joking now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just like you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. You
here. Ain't a home when you not here. Find the home when you're not here. I'm saying, how can you when I'm with you? How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do better like you do. I can't lose.
I'm actually doing our work. You know what I'm doing.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.
My pants is so big, but I'm in Montego Bay, y'all. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm just gonna keep recording and y'all will see. Ooh, wow, look at this jeans. It's so big though, but I'm digging it.
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, was kidding. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. My bitch can't do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. The party bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex argue, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Find the home when you're not here. I'm saying, how can you when I'm with you? How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do better like you do. I can't lose.
Got a nice view. Oh my god, it's so freaking hot.
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, was kidding. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. My bitch can't do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
I'm in a big fool. So this is what I'm wearing today if I don't change. Super cute. And the top, I'm getting dressed up because I want to take a picture. I feel like I never take pictures, so I got all my makeup stuff in here, so I'm gonna do my makeup right now. Oh, I need to get my grab clip. I got my scrub clip. I'm gonna put my hair back so I could go over my edges. Damn, I look weird. But I didn't even wash my face or brush my teeth. What am I doing? Nasty, trying to put makeup on. You didn't even wash your face. Let me wash my hands too, because oil. No, check out my Shein haul. My lace is fucked up, y'all, so don't be looking at it. By the way, I do my makeup before I shower sometimes. For the girls who get it, okay? And if you don't get it, obviously you're not that girl. Hey, what's up? Oh no, I'm talking to myself. No, I don't want to be stinky like you. I've got to take a shower. Oh god, this is gonna be sticky on my hand. Oh, I feel like when I'm not home, I'll be doing the craziest shit. Cause my lace coming up. I'm gonna spray some Got2b on it before I go in the shower. And like put it down a little bit. Yeah. Did I bring any wipes? Oh, shit. I need to go get some wipes. So I got the wipes. Now I have some alcohol in this. I'm gonna clean up around my edges. Just the excess that might be on my skin. I don't even think I left my moisturizer in. Ooh, it's burning my eyes. Okay, so next, ooh. So my lace is lifting at the front, so I'm just gonna spray. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna spray some of this on it and then just put the band on it. Oh. Yep, that's me. Now I can start my makeup. I need to shave my eyebrows. I hope this damn battery don't die on me. So I just put my other battery on charge in case this one die. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Hey, look how cute my phone case is. Isn't this cute? I love it. I'm gonna be taking selfies. Come about me. You know, she told me you're just a homie. Oh, what's that? I like to do it. Bird, I should roll. But you gotta eat the bullet like grocery. You gotta eat the grocery.
Hey, rip out my shirt if you love me.
Sexy.
Spit in my face when you fuck me.
Sexy.
Wait, boy, your friend, bring your buddy. My lap, fat coochies, little coochies, all coochies matter. Ass real fat, I can make a magic trick, bend over backwards. Me, to me, wall to wall. Shirt if you love me.
Sexy.
Spit in my face when you fuck me. Boy, your friend, bring your buddy. I don't me out, slut, me out.
I don't think that did anything.
That's how I'm supposed to be.
say you miss me.
You know this song? Let me turn it up.
Take these up. Put them over there. I don't want them to get dirty. Put them right here. Put it right here. Yeah. Let's do. Well, huh?
How do you ask you to play it? How do you ask you to play it?
What song?
Hate your friends.
Huh?
Hate your friends.
What's that?
Hate your friends on YouTube.
Is that it? No. I don't think you can find it.
The song Hate Your Friends on YouTube that says and you I'm through.
Let's see. It better finds it now. That's it? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Okay.
That by your lips and by your likes, I swear she had no man, but she hit different witness.
Wait! I'm due.
Turn it up and throw attention, fuck you. Every day like that, she be too thick to me. She go baby jump up, baby jump up, she love me, she loves she see me body now, me just why you, me I forget I don't got it, no get no still up, me meditation, me I forget that.
Bro.
Full of the fun, full of the fun. In your white feet, east side full of that fucking jeans, pants on the right feet. No coming up, be a hot girl, boy. Get the use for the hottest girl in the road. Got them for no. Book a girl from uptown, skin clean, big street. She have a crush on in that.
Motherfucker, you right undone. What they drinking? What they drinking?
BRT and dream weekend, and dream weekend. What you broke on it?
I'm getting hot. She's I got enough. I'm so hot. I'm just gonna clean up now. I did something. I don't know what I did, but I did something. Now I'm just gonna hot comb my hair. So I'm all finished with my makeup. Now all I gotta do is hot comb my hair. Hey you guys, so I just did my makeup because I'm about to go to the beach and I want to take a picture. So that's the vibe. I'm about to go take a shower after this, get dressed, and you know, bring you guys with me. So I'm going to this beach down there by the park. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me flick the camera and show you guys. So that's the beach. It's by the park and I think it's free. The water looks pretty, so we about to go there and see what's the vibe like and then get some food, you know. But right now I'm just chilling. It's so hot. Oh my god. But yeah, that's the vibe. And yeah, we're just gonna put everything together and make this into a lit vlog. Not a lit vlog, it's gonna be real chill. I'm just chilling, honestly. But yeah, that's the vibe. Okay, I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm gonna go take a shower right now.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify of you. I'm so that like you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, we scared it. I'm not long if you joking now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. Take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Find the home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do better like you do. I can't.
So I changed. This is what I'm gonna wear. This pink one. Cause the other one I have to wear silver and I can't be bothered to like change my jewelry at the moment. So we're just gonna go pink. Can you tie this on me? I'm hot. This is a walk stick. Already? Yeah, I took it off out there. Ooh, that's hot. So I got me a belly chain, y'all. If you know me, I love these. Anklet. Guys, I'm at the beach, but it's about to rain. Look at that. And it's so crowded. I hate it here. I'm going to another beach tomorrow.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days.
Guys, so I just finished with lunch. Now I'm about to go to the market just to pick up a few stuff. But I'm walking on the stretch. It's hot, but the breeze is cool. It's so windy. I look crazy, but don't watch the craziness. I just came to get food and some groceries. Out here, hot, 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 hot. Hey you guys, so this is the official giveaway video. I know it's been a while, but it's here. So I want you guys to comment under this video if you guys are still interested, okay? And then I'll do a raffle in my next video, which is not going to take long to drop, I promise. Or I'll do it on live, so you guys can decide which one you guys think I should do, because I really don't know. But yeah, so I'll raffle the names, and whichever name comes up first, then that person will get the 5K. But down the line, it's gonna get bigger, okay? So stay tuned, stay updated. But yeah, that's it. And then I'll get in contact with you from there, and you can like send me your bank info and all of that, and we'll take it from there. But if it's only one person that comment, then that person will automatically get it or whatever if you comment within 2 weeks. That's it. But yeah, but thank you guys for watching my vlog. You know, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vlog. Yeah, it's your girl Shaylicious, and I am out. Bye.
Hey, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she